much as quickly. I'm borrowing this from somebody else, but the explanation of it is for you to see. Ref, you are around for World War I? I know you're not around for World War II.
Yes, sir.
Okay. World War I, the date it started was the 28th of December 1914. Then the 28th December 1914, you added up, you'll get 6 days.
Yeah.
World War II started on the 1st of the 1939. And the one in 1939, you get 68. The day that Russia attacked Ukraine was the 24th of February 2022, which was a few weeks ago. Take the 24, the 2, the 20, and 22, and you add it up, you get 68. What's so important about 68? The Apostle Peter and the Apostle Paul were all killed or slaughtered or died in the year 67, 68, 80. A couple of years, about 2 years before the destruction of the temple. Psalm 68 is connected here with plenty rain and the chariots of God and the chariots of heaven having many a huge army. You can read Psalm 68 when you go home. There is only one chapter in the whole Bible that has 68 verses. It's Deuteronomy 28. And Deuteronomy 28 is a chapter with the list of blessings and the list of curses. 68 verses. Go and check it out.
Yes.
As Zechariah died at age 68, he was the oldest of all the kings that ruled over the kingdom of Judah. So I'm just showing you some link where the 68 is connected. I'm just looking at a pattern that we are just seeing where World War I and World War II and now this recent war all connecting to it.